In today's Blender video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Blender model in another project. You cannot import any projects into your current project in Blender. You'll need to append those projects to be able to import it. So to do this, you need to head over to Files. Now there, if you come down, you'll see an option for Append. Click on it. Next, you'll need to head over to the section or the project that you want to import. I want to import this project. Open up the project and you'll need to import the collection section. If you head over to collection and select the collection, you'll have an option for append. Simply click on append, and after a few seconds, the project will be added to your current project.